It's incredibly hot in here today, incredibly hot in here. Incredibly hot in here today, incredibly hot in here. The air is getting slippery and it's not to my surprise. My heart is beating regularly and the sweat it fills my eyes. I do not mind what I excrete cause I'm here to make a buck. And those that cannot take the heat can take a flank. Forgive me if I hesitate. Incredibly hot in here, incredibly hot in here, incredibly hot